Welcome back, and thanks for watching the Impact Report. Layer by layer, staff at the SIU Research Park are helping local entrepreneurs bring their ideas to life. It starts with a basic concept, and the Research Park fills in the details literally using a 3D printer. SIU Foundation Chief Operating Officer Jeff Gleam heads into the lab to find out how it works.
I'm here at the SIU Research Park, and with me is Lynn Anderson-Lindberg, the Executive Director of the SIU Research Park and the Office of Innovation and Economic Development. So, Lynn, tell us a little bit about what goes on out here.
It's a little bit of everything. If you think of economic development, it's not just business assistance, though. It's everything you can imagine, from questions about how do we improve a downtown to what else are we doing in the community that needs some assistance. That's the Research Park.
We're going to focus on one thing today, and I think it's going to take place in this building behind us.
It is. So we have a small prototyping lab here, 3D printers, and I'm really excited to share that with everybody today.
A few years ago, we were approached about putting together some SIU themed items for the tailgates. And so we actually put together sort of a wide assortment and brought them to SIU, and they were able to make selections.
So let's get into the actual startup of the design. Can we look at that?
So originally we brought the idea of doing the SIU themed bottle opener. So we designed many different iterations of it, but the end version that won was this one. It can be printed, it's entirely metal free. We print quite a few of these, and this is actually the 3D model we used to print the objects you're going to see today. But you can see here, these are actually running right now.
Does this go in as a liquid?
It takes the raw filament, runs it up through the back, and then forces it into a heated nozzle. And that will actually take it and then forces it down through that really tiny orifice.
Oh my goodness.
And then deposits it layer by layer by layer by layer.
Okay. So that's what we're watching right now.
That's what you're watching right now.
Okay.
And then once it's done, I mean, this printer is done. If you would like to grab one out of there, they come out exactly like that. They are fully ready to go. Anybody that has ideas, anything that has commercial viability, certainly we can help with the prototyping process. The prototyping process can be a very extensive and expensive process.
It can cost upwards of $40,000 to have somebody do a prototype for you. And then you go in and you say, well, this doesn't work. And they say, okay, well, give me another $40,000 and we'll help you fix it.
Right.
Come in and work with Ken and I. It might take us a little bit longer to work on that, but we don't charge them for that. We want their product to actually get out there.
Working with small businesses is really at the heart of everything that we do, but being able to work with them and see a dream come to life is just, it's incredible.
Again, this was a great experience for all of us out here. I hope you enjoyed this. And now back to you, Ann, in the studio.
We're told there are so many other innovative projects in progress at the 3D printing lab, but staff must protect the intellectual property of their clients. So we'll just have to wait and see what they do next. If you'd like to learn more about the lab, look for this story at siuf.org.